No. Roxy. Yes, Roxy. Yes.
I just like wicked rich and I came here. It was like an oil company and all that.
Wow.
Nice to meet you again. Okay, nice to meet you.
Sure.
Yeah, you order.
Thank you. Oh yeah. I'm ready to order.
Oh, menu.
Are you ready to order? Because I am starving. You don't want anything? You don't want anything?
I am gonna cook.
Right. Can I get a big fish also?
Yeah.
I like my fish big.
Oh, and shrimp.
Yeah. Yes, definitely. And can I get pocket chicken?
Make that too.
With goat meat. Goat meat.
You have a goat meat? Yes, you do.
I want the goat head.
Oh, make that too goat head.
Village veggies, stir fries.
Oh, yes. Garden salad.
Oh, you have okra soup. Can I get that? Sausage roll.
Yeah.
Cheese. Order something. You sure you don't want anything?
Roxy.
There's a lot of this menu.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love this restaurant.
And a goosey soup.
Yes.
Well, vegetable soup.
Chief, you don't want nothing.
Nay.
Chief, are you okay?
I have been drinking since Nabos.
Okay, Chief.
Nabos is my enemy.
Can I get jollof rice and fried rice?
And some fish, some fried fish. You want
Fried
fish?
fish.
Oh, I want my fish
ready.
baked.
Yes.
Baked, and I want a lot of tomatoes and onions. And I want it extra spicy.
Extra. Oh, yes.
Spicy. And can I get plantain and beans?
Oh, make that too.
Okay, make that too. And can I get seafood? Fish sandwich with fries.
And some shrimp. Make that some shrimp, yes. Sauteed in butter.
No, nay.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Look.
Anything they want to give
American
it.
food.
They have American food.
Okay, can I get hamburgers?
Yes. And some chicken fingers.
Okay, can I get french fries?
French
Pepper
fries.
and some.
Yes, it's a mozzarella steak.
Okay. Chief, you want something?
Nah, no food.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Now, how else they
No,
give
I
it?
always wanted to try these meat pies. Can I have some meat pies?
Yes, we have a
Okay,
lot
we
of
get extra big pies, please.
Yes, a lot.
For like
of
4
them.
people.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, look at this fish. What fish? Oh, you have big fish? Fried fish?
Fried fish, grilled fish. Bring all the fish you have back there.
Roasted fish?
You have roasted ones? Bring all the fish.
Roxy, they only have 2 fish.
No, they said
they have
fried fish.
Roasted.
Roasted.
You told Roxy that one
Chief,
too.
this is village.
Oh, when they asked you before, I think you only have a 2 fish.
This is village restaurant. They have everything.
Anything they want, give it.
I want amala.
I am ready.
Amala.
Yes.
Oh.
I am ready.
Oh, and you know what? Some wine.
Oh, red wine.
Red wine. Make sure it's sweet. Yes.
Red wine.
Yes, sweet red.
Okay, when you come back, we'll order something.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Chief, are you sure?
You are so nice for inviting me. I am so excited.
I'm so glad you're here with us.
I'm so happy. Oh, thank you.
Take this.
Chief.
Baby.
Yeah, you okay? Are you okay?
This is serious economy in this Nigeria.
Yes.
I mean, not this one over here. The economy in Nigeria it is serious.
Indeed, I trust you,
Very
eh?
good.
You're enjoying your Chief. How's the containers in the sea, yeah?
The containers are good.
Yeah, big
Containers.
containers like that.
Roxy, yes.
Wow.
You know, in this world that we are in, only big people like us can do big things.
Pour you your drink.
Baby.
Oh, thank you.
Baby. Thank you, Roxy.
You're welcome.
Roxy. Baby, your friend is nice. No, you are nicer. Yes.
Oh, that was good. Oh, yeah.
Maybe this one too. The food is good.
Very much.
Good.
Very.
Rice.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you.
If you sure you don't want any?
Hey, my son. She's big there. Thank you,
Can I help you with?
Oh,
Nothing. Oh. Yes. Enjoy. Yes. Cool, enjoy.
Chip. Are you sure you don't want? You sure? Chip, eat with yeah? Eat the hair. Thank you, yeah. This one is good.
Yeah, this one is good.
Very. Chip, thank you, yeah? Very much. God bless you, yeah? Chip, you're missing out, though. Sure you don't want any?
No, baby. Yeah, I am drinking. I'm fasting.
You're fasting? Okay.
Yeah. I'm Igbo Muslim. I'm fasting.
Yes.
That was so good. You should have ate something.
Yes, bro.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Yeah, thank you.
Check. Yes. Yes.
Okay, this is to Chief. Yes, definitely to you, Chief. You, thank you for this wonderful dinner.
Check. Yes, check. Oh, oh, okay. Yes. Thank you.
I think I'll run back. You run? I ran here. Yeah. Oh. To you again, though. To you again, you are the best.
Enjoy. Baby. Baby.
Can I?
Roxy, baby.
Can I break you?
Oh, my love.
You know what?
This is good. This is chop life.
You do well.
I am chopping life.
Good. You did so
Anything, baby. Good.
Are you sure you want anything?
No, Roxy don't want anything.
Are you
Roxy
sure?
is full.
I'm fine.
I know.
I am so full.
Look at her. Roxy is fine.
You got food to take to work tomorrow morning? No, I don't. Okay, we should order to go. Yes, we should. Waiter!
Yes, waiter.
Yes, sir.
So this is my bill. Yes, with the one they just order.
Yeah.
Do you take a check?
No, we don't take checks. We take MasterCard, Visa, American Express.
No. Check. This is First Bank of Nigeria.
No, we don't.
International Bank.
We don't take checks.
World
I have an
Bank check.
intercontinental account.
No.
Check.
Credit cards or debit.
What is that?
Cash income.
We don't. Yeah, we do. We take that. but
You know people like me. We don't like to.
Carry cards.
Yes, cash is too heavy.
Because you're a big man, that's why.
Yes. You know what I will do for you? I am going to come back. I will not go outside.
Where you going?
Baby, I have to get my credit card because when I come here, I just come.
Okay.
We'll wait for you.
Give me 2 minutes.
Do you want me to walk you? Chief, I can walk you in the car. I can walk you if you want me to.
Leave me alone.
Okay, Chief. Hurry back, Chief, okay?
Roxy.
Don't forget
your phone.
phone.
Oh, yeah, Roxy. I'm going to get my credit card.
I can answer your phone while you're gone.
No, this is a business line, baby. You cannot come and do that, eh? Wait,
your beer will be here with you, yeah?
Yes, my beer, yes.
We'll keep an eye on it for you.
Yes. Put your eyes on top of it. Yes.
Okay, Chief.
Yes, I'm coming.
Bye, Chief. Nobody. Chief is coming. He's coming right back. Because I will call them Maga. Oh my God, no. 700. They come back, right? If they Chief, they come. You sure they come back? Chief go come back.
Are you guys ready to pay?
Oh, hi.
Yes.
No, because Chief's still in the car. I think he's making some phone calls. Yes. Yeah, we'll call you when we're ready.
Few more minutes.
Bye-bye.
He's coming, okay?
No, my
He'll be here in a few more.
really.
Your boy's there?
Thank you.
Just give us a